so that's Shafer Road. Trying to decide if I'm gonna tackle that in a car. Either really great idea or really dumb idea. Oh, that's a drop off. Let's give it a try. I'm at the Shafer Road Overlook, trying to decide if I want to take this road down to the bottom. I hear it's actually okay for cars, even though it looks ridiculous. Nissan Versa down the bottom, I wonder if it'll be all right. It's a rental anyways. A lot of people think you need permits. You do need permits to go camp and do White Rim Road, but you do not need permits to go down Shafer Road. It connects with Potash Road, which is a public road. The entrance is just north of the visitor center. So about 20 Jeeps in a row. That's a good sign. I can make it. Oh, that's a drop off. This is cool. Oh, this is stupid. That's a drop. Hello, hello.
Hey.
All right, so I just made it down to the bottom of Shafer Road, and right now it's in one piece. Hopefully I can get back up with no flats. Here's the view of what I just came down. Beyond this point, this is White Rim Road. You have to have permits to enter on that or to camp. And then this is Potash Road that will take you all the way to Moab. That road's rough, so you don't want to take a Nissan Versa on Potash Road. But here on Shafer Road, so far it's good. This is the view down the bottom. And I'm about to head straight back up. Awesome, awesome, awesome road. If you're adventurous and you don't mind getting off road, it's great. A lot of fun.